Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Welcome to my video today. Today's video has to do with the Carnival Victory cruise ship being refurbished, except you're looking at pictures of the Carnival Horizon cruise ship instead. And the reason I'm showing you these photos first is that on the Horizon, which is only a 6-month-old cruise ship, you've got every imaginable amenity and activity for the family imaginable. You're talking about an $800 million cruise ship with all the toys. This is the standard that Carnival is going for going forward. They want to offer you guys burgers. They want to offer you all kinds of other eating amenity spots. They want to offer you the best in entertainment. They want to offer you the nicest dining. The problem is you got 26 ships in your fleet. A bunch of them are getting up there in age, and here is where the dilemma comes in. We're talking about the Victory. Here it is. She's going to be 20 years old next year, and we have to upgrade her. She's got to compete with its own sister, the Carnival Horizon cruise ship. So they're going to take this ship here, and they're going to transform her, and she's going to end up looking like this ship right here. This ship was refurbished last year. The Carnival Destiny turned into the Carnival Sunshine with the water park at the back and the big addition of 3 additional decks right on top of the bridge of the ship for luxury accommodations. So this ship is going to go from 2,700 passengers up to almost 3,000 passengers. And look at the water slide at the back, the pool area, all the play areas for the kids. This is how you salvage an old vessel. You spend $200 million upgrading the outside, the inside, you upgrade the scrubbers, you do all kinds of modernization, and this ship is good for 10 to 15 more years of happy sailing and excellent profits for Carnival. Instead of building a new one for $800 million, refurbish the old one for $200 million, and away you go. And there it is. This is what's going to happen going forward. The Carnival Victory will be called the Carnival Radiance, and it'll look just like the Sunshine here. Modern, fresh, and it'll compete with the Horizon and all the other cruise ships out there. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on what Carnival is doing to modernize their fleet. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern Time, Saturdays at 2 Eastern. We talk cruise ships 6 days a week, and I welcome you to join me anytime. Please subscribe today. See ya. Bye for now.